Hazrat Abu Hazim says that Hazrat Sahal bin Sa'ad radiyallahu anhu informed me that on the occasion of the Khaybar expedition, the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, "Tomorrow I will hand this standard over to a person at whose hands victory will be granted and who loves Allah Jalla Jalaluhu and His Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam. And Allah Jalla Jalaluhu and His Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam love him." The people passed the night waiting eagerly to see to whom the standard will be granted. Next day, everyone was aspirant for it. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, "Where is Ali?" The people submitted, "He has got sore eyes." So he applied his spittle to his eyes and prayed for him. Hence, he relied as if he had never any pain. Then he sallallahu alaihi wasallam awarded him the standard. He submitted, "I will keep on fighting with them until they became Muslims like us." Then he sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, "Go quietly, and when you reach their battlefield, invite them to Islam and tell them what has been enjoined on them. By Allah Jalla Jalaluhu, if Allah Jalla Jalaluhu guides even a single person through you, it will be better for you than extremely costly red camels." Sahih Bukhari, Hadith number 3009.